Okay, there it is. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you, plumber. Thank you. So nice of you to do this to me. Hi, live from underneath my water heater and inside a section of the wall. You get to see what a plumber would do to put in a drain line. Put up the light over there. See, there's a drain line. Oh yeah, there's this tape. I'm okay with the tape because you can reach it through that hole. Show you the hole in a minute. But this is what plumbers do. Thank you, plumber. You were awesome. Where do I drill the hole? Oh, right here where the support board is. By the way, it's a 90-gallon water tank sitting on top of this. Alright. If you have comments about the code, I'm sorry.